In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Shopify payments. If you're moving to a different gateway, troubleshooting issues, or simply need to turn off Shopify's built-in processor, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to expect. Before we start, make sure you have admin access to the correct store and consider enabling an alternative payment method first so customers can still check out after you deactivate Shopify payments. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin from your web browser. If you manage multiple stores, double check you're in the right one so you don't change settings on the wrong account. Once you're on the admin home, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all store-wide configuration options, including payment providers. On the settings page, select Payments. The Payments section shows all active and available payment methods for your store. You'll see a dedicated area for Shopify payments, along with any third-party gateways or manual payment options you might be using, like bank deposits or cash on delivery. In the Shopify payments section, click Manage. This opens the configuration screen specifically for Shopify payments, where you can adjust payment methods, regions, and related settings. On the page that loads, choose Manage Payment Methods. This reveals your current methods and additional controls tied to Shopify payments. Now scroll down the page and look for the option labeled Deactivate Shopify Payments. It's typically near the bottom. This is the control that fully turns off Shopify payments on your store. When you're ready, click Deactivate. Shopify may ask for a reason or display a confirmation message summarizing what will change. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After this, Shopify payments will be disabled for your storefront. Once deactivated, customers will no longer see Shopify payments at checkout. That means options like Shop Pay and the card processing powered by Shopify will disappear from your checkout immediately. If you've already set up a third-party processor, that option will remain available and customers can continue purchasing without interruption. It's a good idea to run a quick test checkout to verify that your alternative payment method is working as expected. A few helpful notes: any pending payouts from past Shopify payments orders will still be processed according to your payout schedule, and you can continue to issue refunds for previous orders as allowed by Shopify's policies. If you need to re-enable Shopify payments later, return to the payments section and set it up again. And remember, some regions and features depend on Shopify payments, so consider any implications for subscriptions, accelerated checkouts, or local payment methods before deactivating.